Vivo Y15 slow motion setting. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can set slow motion setting in Vivo Y15. Okay, so guys, I'll tell you the setting from where you can set it and how you can use the slow motion setting in Vivo Y15. So guys, if you are willing to do this setting, then simply watch the video till the end. Okay, and guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin the tutorial and let's open up the camera. Okay, because we have to do the setting in camera. So where is my camera? Let's find it out. Okay, so here it is. Okay, now tap and open the camera, and after that guys, you can see here. Okay, camera has been opened. Now you can see the mobile screen. Okay, so guys, if you go to video, okay, if you go to video, there you will not find any kind of slow motion video setting or slow motion camera setting. If you go to setting as well, there is no slow motion setting. Okay, so in the Vivo phone you won't get slow motion setting. So how you can use it? Okay, so guys, for that you just have to make a video and you need to edit in slow motion. Okay, like this. So let's take a video. Now let's stop. So guys, we have record the video, and now what you need to do is you need a software. Okay, you need applications like KineMaster where you can edit slow motion setting. So just download it, install it, and then open it. You will get it on Google Play Store. So go and install it. Okay, so now select the landscape mode, go to media, and then guys you have to open up the camera, and then you have to open up that video. After that, click on the tick, and then guys, as you can see, this is the video we have record. Okay, so now just tap on the video and click on the speed. After that, you have to slow down the video from speed, and then click on the tick. After that, you can play and see how it's work. Okay, but guys, for example, if you want to edit in slow motion in the half of the video, okay, then let's do it. So let's slow down the speed. Okay, yeah, we'll slow down into normal. Okay, so this is the normal. So for example, if you want video, okay, if you want to make your video slow motion in the middle of your video, then you have to trim it out. Okay, you have to trim like this from the middle, and then guys you can slow up this part. Okay, just slow up this part, click OK. So after that, this half part will be in fast mode and that other part will be in slow motion. That's it. Now click on the exit. After that, open up the video, click on the share, and after that you can export it from here. Okay, so it's just like that. Okay, so guys, it's just easy. You can do slow motion video by this application. Okay, because we don't have the slow motion setting in our camera. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.